Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic inverse discrete Fourier transform. So the formula for inverse discrete Fourier transform is x of n is equal to 1 by n integration of k is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 x of k e to the power minus j 2 pi k n divided by capital N. So here we have seen the twiddle factor. So twiddle factor is expressed as Wn, which is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by n. So here e power minus j theta can be represented as cos theta minus j sin theta. So here theta, value of theta will be 2 pi by n. So the term expressed as cos 2 pi by n minus j sin 2 pi by n. Here we have an example for computation of IDFT. So here the question will be compute the IDFT of the sequence capital X of k is equal to 6, 0, minus 2, 0. So here we have to calculate the small x of n and the given sequence will be in the term of capital X of k in terms of IDFT, whereas in the terms of DFT we have to find the small x of n will be given and find the capital X of k. So first write the formula of IDFT, that is small x of n is equal to 1 by n integration of k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of k e power minus 2 j pi k n divided by n. Next you have to substitute the value of n. Here the value of n will be the length of the samples, that is total number of samples. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have 4 samples. So n will represent 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have the length of the sample will be 4. So n is equal to 4. So substitute the value of capital N in this formula. We can get x of n is equal to 1 by 4 summation of k is equal to 0 to 4 minus 1 x of k e power minus j 2 pi k n divided by 4. So here we have 2. So next the term will be 1 by 4 integration of summation of k is equal to 0 to 3 capital X of k e power minus j 2 pi k pi k n by 2. Next you have to find the x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So you have to find these values x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So for finding these values you have to put the n value as 0 and next you have to put the n value as 1, next you have to put the n value as 2 and then you have to substitute the n value as 3. So first you have to substitute the n value as 0. So you have to n is equal to 0 means you have to substitute in this formula x of n 0 is equal to 1 by 4. So you have to substitute the n value. Here we have an n value. So substitute the n value, the whole term will become 0. So e power 0 will get 1. So e power 0 will be 1. So next you have to substitute the value of k for each value. So first you have to substitute the value of k as 0, next 1, next 2 and 3. So the value of k ranges from 0 to 3 because here we have an n minus 1 sample. The value of n will be 4. So 4 minus 1, the value will be 3. So 0 to 3 up to we have to put the value of k. So first you have to put the value of k as 0. So x of 0, the term e power 0 will represent 1. So here 1 plus, next you have to x of 1 substitute, and here 1 plus x of 2, and the e power 0 will also 1. So you have to substitute next the value as x of 3. Okay. So we have x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. Here we don't have any e power values because e power we have put n value as 0. So the whole term becomes 0. So e power 0 will get 1. Next you have to substitute the value of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So in the question it will be given that capital X of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So x of 1 will be 6. You have to, x of 0 will be 6 plus x of 2 will be 0 plus x of 1 will be 0 and x of 2 will be minus 2. So minus 2 plus x of 3. X of 3 will be 0. So we have to then calculate the equation. So 6 minus 2 we have 4. 4 here we have a 4. So 4 divided by 4, the value will be 1. So the value of x of 0 will be 1. So small x of 0 is equal to 1. Next you have to calculate the value of small x of 1. Next you have to put the value of n is equal to 1. So n is equal to 1, we have to substitute in the formula. We get 1 by 4 summation of k is equal to 0 to 3 capital X of k e power minus j 2 pi k, value of n will be 1, then divided by 4. So 2 cancel, divided by 2. So this will be the formula. Next you have to substitute the value of k 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 3. So 1 by 4 will be common. X of 0 into e power j 2 pi. Next value of k will be 0. Divided by 4. So here 2 plus x of 1 e power j 2 pi into 1 divided by 4 plus x of 2 e power j 2 pi 2 into 1 divided by 4 plus x of 3 e power j 2 pi 3 into 1 divided by 4. So next you have to solve this answer. We can get x of 0. Here we have e power 0 will be 1. X of 0, the value of x of 0 will be 6, which will be given in the question. And x of 1, here we have a x of 0 value, x of 1 value will be 0, that will be given in the question. The 0 will be multiplied this value, so the whole term becomes 0 minus, so value of x of 2 will be minus 2, so into e power j pi, the value of x of 3 will be 0, so we have put 0. Next you have to substitute the e power j pi in terms of cos theta minus sin theta, j sin theta. So 1 by 4 into 6 minus 2 into cos pi plus j sin pi. So the term become 1 by 4 into 6 minus 2 into cos pi value will be minus 1 and plus j sin pi value will be 0. So 1 by 4 into 6 minus 1 plus j. So we have minus into minus plus 2. So 6 plus 2 will give 8, which is equal to 2. So 2. The value of small x of 1 will be 2. Similarly, you have to substitute the value of n is equal to 2. So x of 2 is equal to 1 by 4 summation of k is equal to 0 to 3 x of k e power minus j 2 pi k by 4. Next you have to substitute the value of k to each term. 1 by 4 x of 0 e power j 2 pi 0 into 2 divided by 4 plus x of 1 into e power j 2 pi 1 into 2 divided by 4 plus x of 2 into e power j 2 pi 2 into 2 divided by 4 plus x of 3 into e power j 2 pi 3 into 2 divided by 4. Next you have to solve this. 1 by 4 into the value of x of 0 will be 0. The x of 0 will be 6. This value will get 0. So the value will be 1. So next we have x of 1 value will be 0. So the whole term becomes 0 plus the x of 2 value will be minus 2 e power j 2 pi plus x of 3 will be 0. Then you have to substitute the value 1 by 4 into 6 minus 2 1 plus j 0. Next you have to solve this. 6 minus 2 will be 4. Then 4 by 4 the value will be 1. So x of small x of 2 is value of x of 2 will be 1. Next you have to substitute the value of n is equal to 3. So similarly you have substitute the value of n is equal to 3. We can solve the equation as x of 0 e power j 2 pi into 0 into 3 divided by 4 plus x of 1 into e power j 2 pi 1 into 3 divided by 4 plus x of 2 into e power j 2 pi 2 into 3 divided by 4 plus x of 3 into e power j 2 pi 3 into 3 divided by 4. So you have to solve this. 1 by 4 6 plus second term will be 0 plus minus 2j 3 pi plus 0. So by solving this we can get the answer as 8 by 4 which will be 2. So small x of 2 will be 2. The value of small x of 2 will be 2. So now we can write the answer. So capital X of k will be given, small x of n is equal to, the answer will be first one x of 0 will be 1 comma x of 1 will be 2 and next 2 will be 1 and 3 will be x of 3. Here x of 3 will be 2. So 1 2 1 2 will be answer. 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2. So this will be the answer. So this is the inverse discrete Fourier transform.